Let's talk about words with the letters CH making the sound sh. Now we know that in most cases the letter CH say the sound ch. However, we do have words where the letter CH says sh. Now let's look at some words where the letter CH is pronounced as sh. We have chef, shake, chiffon, machine, parachute, brochure, niche, chauffeur, crash, where you take your babies to, crash, cash, chalet, chandelier, and this very last one is charade. Charade. Now I hope that you have learned and you will be pronouncing these words correctly and teaching your young ones to also say them correctly. Now don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.